Hi everybody, I'm Mike Boland with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, and today our pre-owned vehicle of the week, we're featuring this lightly used, extremely nice 2018 Ford Explorer Platinum. The Platinum comes completely loaded, and this one checks even all the rest of the boxes. Middle row bucket seats with a console, twin panel moonroof, premium Sony sound, all the safety features, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, so you can maintain a safe following distance on the highway, pre-collision, all the things that would make this a great highway car. And it's just an absolute pleasure to drive, rides like a dream. 365 horsepower, 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbocharged engine. Just is absolutely a fantastic luxury SUV. Tires are like new. The interior is extremely nice, shows very little wear. It's a tremendous vehicle and saved thousands over what a brand new one would be. As with all Explorers, you do have the 3 rows of seats. You've got 6 passenger comfort, power folding and stowing rear seats. The cargo hold in this shows absolutely minimal wear. No scratches on the bumper, none on the interior plastic surfaces. This vehicle has been really well taken care of. It's going to make somebody a great SUV, whether it's for the family or just a luxury vehicle to reward yourself. You can't go wrong. It's absolutely amazing, and it's currently available for sale. And for any questions or to come out and give this fantastic Explorer a drive, just come out and see us. Again, I'm Mike Boland with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson. Thank you very much for watching.
The automotive solution. You feel better in a field car.